There they are. It'd just be the light. Let the light, the Balarr Inyiny, wash over you as you sit and listen to our words. We invite you to breathe this ancestral light, become part of its dreaming. The dreaming of the rainbow serpent. Sites, the carrier of stories. Our creator being who carved this coastline, the powerful prism of light linking the land, the sea, and the sky. The carrier of stories for what will unfold tonight, of what has unfolded 1,000 nights before, and will for 1,000 more to come. This story has both happened and will happen. Its dreaming is now, on this night, this Domangwa. Told through our ancestors, ancient beings still travelling through this ancient land. Balarr Inyiny is a story of this country called Golomerigen.
A story of glistening monsoon rains and joyful drying, of fresh billabongs in abundant oceans, of curving coastlines and sparkling waters, bathed in the pure colours of sky.
Here there is a place within place. where the rainbow servant dreaming, the Darwin begins. Off the coastal Casuarina beach, our most sacred spirit, the first of the Larrakia. Old Man Rock. Stands in the water, waiting and watching. He wants his people and his land strong and healthy. He is the one who sits in the place of beginning and sees us, feels us.
His seeing is feeling. His feeling is knowing. He knows when the digging is too fast, when the sacred site is lost. He knows when the seven seasons shift too far from their course. When the dragonfly dance begins too late. When we fall away from the land and each other.
When this happens, sends a fierce wind, sends a fierce wind, sends a fierce wind, sends a fierce direction, to turn to each other and the land, to care now before it is too late. People from across many seas call this country Balarr home. We all found belonging here. It's up to us to listen to what Darwin is saying. The stories that are being told around us, written in the wind, land and sea. Larrakia, here on Balarr country, as we listen. Tread softly now on this country and become part of its dream. Stand with us in the powerful prism, the Balarr Inyiny, that connects us with the light of sunrise and salt and sky. The light that protects this place for all generations to come. Damangwa Guialwa Darwin. Tamangwa bachiwa, mamak bachiwa, mamak